The AGR Fill Height Tester is a precision testing unit designed to automate the task of fill height, volume, and brimful measurements. With a touch of the button, the fill height tester automatically weighs, fills, and precisely measures container volume while compensating for temperature and water density. The fill height tester offers 3 pre-programmed testing modes: volume fill height, brimful capacity, and combination brimful and volume. Operation is simple and effortless. As the test begins, the weight of the empty container is recorded. Then the container is filled to predetermined levels, either fill height or brimful. For this demonstration, we've selected the combination test. 2 water jets quickly fill the container to the fill height level. And then, in order to maintain integrity of weight and volume measurement, a single water jet slowly fills the bottle to brimful. The water temperature and weight of the filled container are now recorded. Using this weight and temperature data, the actual fill height and brimful capacity is calculated. Test data can be read directly from the instrument's display screen, and documentation can also be exported through an RS-232 port to a printer. The AGR Fill Height Tester offers the following benefits: fill height and brimful tests in one operation, automatic data storage and retrieval, production line durability, temperature and water density compensation, excellent repeatability, and reproducibility. Now you can eliminate the drudgery and mess associated with manual fill height measurement while improving the precision of volume and brimful tests with the automated fill height tester from AGR International.